And now developments on an NBC5 exclusive we shared yesterday.
Really amazing story. A woman was mauled by 2 dogs in Harvey, and she had her 7th surgery yesterday as she continues this recovery. Regina Waldroup is joining us with what the city of Harvey is doing to address these animal control issues. Regina?
Mary and Alex, the mayor says conversations about animal control, they were happening well before this incident. It was also discussed at a recent community solutions meeting, as well as ways to prevent attacks like this from happening again. Cell phone video taken moments after a bloodthirsty attack.
Hold on, all right.
The 2 80-pound Rottweilers that mauled 58-year-old Donna Hale on the evening of April 14th, they can be seen on the video, which were blurring because Donna's clothes were ripped off. One of the dogs will be shot and later euthanized by Cook County Animal Care and Control. It's unclear who the dogs belong to.
They dragged me up and down the street. I'm yelling, and they were strong. They had blood all over their faces. I remember that.
Now, more than a month after the attack, some residents are asking questions. They want to know why the city didn't send out an alert about what had happened, and also to the fact that one of the dogs is still out here.
These are city streets, and if you're walking around and there's dogs running on the loose, it's their responsibility.
I found out this morning on the news. Have not heard anything until this morning. I know. Yes, I do think the city should have sent out an alert.
County officials told us in a statement in part that it's up to individual municipalities to decide whether to issue community alerts when incidents occur within their jurisdiction. We asked a spokesman for the mayor's office about this several times this week. We're still waiting for an answer.
We do again know this is a problem.
Last week, animal control issues were the focus of this community forum, with officials from the city, county, and Anti-Cruelty Society on hand. Also there, Donna Hale's sister.
My sister's whole foot was amputated. She has a heel and an ankle, and that is it.
There were some who were aware that the dogs had been out and about for quite some time, but there was no action taken. And we didn't find out about it until, of course, it was too late.
Numbers shared at the meeting show 1 dog bite call for January and a total of 78 calls for loose animals. February, 39 loose animal complaints. March, 95, and April, 95. The city's recently hired 2 officers to specifically handle animal control issues. The mayor says dog owners and the community also need to do their part.
That's the reason why we want the dogs to be registered, and the reason why we want them microchipped. And the reason why we want people to be more responsible owners is because this doesn't happen.
So as for the other dog that attacked Donna Hale, county officials told me today it was not microchipped and neither the dog or its owner has been located. Coming up at 6, more on the officers recently hired to focus on animal control issues, when they could be ready to hit the streets, and who's training them for free.
Wow, it's a miracle that she survived. Thank God she did. But with all those loose dog reports, this could happen anytime, it sounds
Absolutely.
like.
Yeah. It seems like they got a lot of work to do, those new officers.
Indeed, Alex, indeed.
All right, thanks
Regina.